guys.
I hope you're not filming. Jean! No. Prepare me mentally when we are ready. We can always erase this video, right?
This is going to be first Dermarolling video where we drink.
Oh my god, in front of the camera.
Hey guys, today I'm having a guest over here in this video. My friend is Ekaterina. She's also Jean Amber Beauty customer service. She has never done dermarolling on her face. She knows a lot about dermarolling, but she has never done dermarolling actually on her face. She has beautiful skin, but we want to see how she's going to react and what her opinion is going to be about dermarolling. So today we have a dermaroller. I'm going to be using 0.5 dermaroller needle, and she has
0.25
and she has 0.25. These rollers are new. If you guys first time and you never seen the dermarolling video, when you receive the roller, it's always coming in this protective bag, which is EO gas. It's actually already disinfected in a manufacturer. We're unpacking right now.
It has instructions inside.
Yeah, very nice instructions made by me. And okay, how to open it.
Christmas!
Christmas! Alright, so now before we start dermarolling, I always recommend you guys to disinfect your skin. I don't need to disinfect my roller because, as I told you, comes in this bag which is already disinfected inside. So we have alcohol, isopropyl alcohol 50. I recommend a little bit higher, but today I don't have anything on hand. We're using cotton pad and with alcohol, just disinfecting all the skin, all the place where you're going to be rolling. If you're going to be rolling on the neck, you should disinfect your neck too. It's amazing that Dermaroller actually helps with the neck wrinkles if you have it. You don't have any makeup, nothing, right?
No,
I don't see.
I wash my face before coming, and here you go. All dirty.
Oh. All dirty. Look at mine, you.
Ay, cochina.
Face disinfected. Katarina's face is disinfected. We're going to take a Dermaroller. You excited?
Excited. And scary.
Kurva doesn't open.
I hope you cut that part.
Yeah. If you like going to forget, I always start from up down. It's easier for me. So
okay.
I'm gonna start here.
Okay. No more than 6 times, right? On the same spot.
Yeah. For the first time, I will say no more than like 4 times, 5. What do you think? Is it hurting?
No.
By the way, I have a lot of people asking if they can dermaroll, if they have lip fillers, if they have Botox, if they have any fillers in the face. That's completely normal to do that. Just make sure after you got your fillers or Botox or any injectables, you dermaroll after 2 weeks. And I always focus on the place where I have the most issues. For example, over here, like 11 lines. So I go there like extra, like 10 times.
Okay. No painful at all.
No? Yeah, you can go like this. Just do not drag. You just lift, go, lift, go. But I do, you know how? Like I go like one place, couple of times like this. Kurwa, I'm hot. And these lights are always making me hot. You're not hot?
I'm always hot. And how you do on your nose?
On the nose, I take with the finger like this. In all the direction. Yeah, basically you can do, you know, up, down and sides. So I just try to do as many directions as possible. It's very good for the blackheads.
I don't have blackheads.
You like it? You have beautiful skin.
Thank you. Using Jean Amber Dermaroller.
For the first time.
Serum and acid.
How long have you been using serum?
Since it came up.
Oh. Okay, I'm going one more time on my face everywhere. Especially you guys can go like a couple of times on the place where you have an issue like acne scarring or hyperpigmentation or wrinkle. If you have more like issues on the lower parts on the face like I have, I'm always more focusing and spending more time rolling over there on the jawline over here where I have issue. Sagginess going on. Did you get Botox recently? Your skin is too nice.
What Botox, Jean? I'm 25. I got Botox in August.
I'm not getting that much, you know. I'm doing Somen, I believe. It's like lighter, much lighter, but it's also helping. But I'm just doing very rarely, twice a year probably. So I don't think now I have some because wrinkles everywhere. Can you do forehead lines like this? Up? Yeah, no.
Max.
Doesn't work. But you don't have issues with your lower part face.
No.
I have over here, look. Yeah, you don't. Lucky you. You sleep on the side or on the back of your head?
I don't sleep at all.
Okay, what do you do then?
I take care of my cat at night. What about around eye area?
You know you can roll over the brow like this. And it's gonna increase your brow hair grow. Yesterday some client, she was asking if she can dermaroll her face and she's not gonna get like increased hair grow, beard, because you can use the same dermaroller if you're a man for the beard grow if you have a patch just like on the face. And one customer, she was asking if she's not gonna get beard. Guys, I've been rolling for many years. If I had a beard, I will tell you I don't have a beard. Oh my god.
A very important area. How do I do neck?
Like this and then side. But when you have, if you have lines, you like try to follow more these lines like more times. I don't have that much on the neck.
Okay. You do like this?
Okay, my face is burning already.
Mine too. Especially nose. Oh my god, my face is like, oh, little burn.
Yeah, it's good. It's red. It's normal. It's normal. People been asking for how long the redness is normal. Totally normal if you have even for 2 days. Just always remember, put SPF all the time, in the morning, afternoon, in the evening. Even if you're inside in the house, you're not going anywhere, don't forget SPF. Now what I'm doing, you can use serum. We have serum. What you going to use?
I have hyaluronic acid. I brought mine.
She has her own hyaluronic serum. I'm going actually use both serums together, hyaluronic acid serum and vitamin C serum. I'm mixing these serums together. You can actually mix serums together. Don't be afraid, especially this vitamin C serum also has hyaluronic, but I'm gonna add the hyaluronic more for like plumper effect. Vitamin C serum is more like brightening serum, anti-aging, and this is more anti-aging but plumping serum. If you have these together, I remember many people been asking me if they can mix this serum, how they can do it. You can actually use this serum together, or you can apply first this one and then second this one, but I'm going to use together. Okay.
For me too, isn't it?
Okay, so like dab it. Try to not drag it, just dab it. If it's going to like a little bit sting, that's normal. If it's your first time, what do you feel?
It's refreshing because it was in the fridge and it's cold. Oh, now it's stinged. Oof.
Yeah, because first time you're always more sensitive if you're doing dermarolling for the first time.
Look, my face red in my neck.
Mine too. we both look like lobsters. white European lobsters. You look more red.
Because it was my first time.
Oh yeah, that's normal. My syrup right now is dry. Yours?
About to.
After that you can be done actually, or you can actually take your like favorite moisturizer, favorite cream. I have today, I haven't launched this cream yet, but this is my vitamin C cream that is gonna come out. I don't wanna lie, I don't promise that it's gonna come out this year, probably it's next year, but this is the final formula that I have from the lab that I'm working with. This is vitamin C lotion. Actually has hyaluronic acid, it has squalane, it has amazing natural, really good ingredients for anti-aging and for overall like keeping your skin healthy and glowy. So you want to try? You haven't tried this.
So right after
serum? Right after, yeah. Or before actually cream, you can apply any mask sheet. People been asking you, right?
Yes.
If you have some favorite natural ingredients mask sheet, you can use mask sheet. And this is very good, this cream, because you need very small amount, basically like little like this. It's really like formula is really nice. It's spreads everywhere. Try to like kind of dab it, but because it's like thick, you have to slide anyway. And this is really good formula because it doesn't leave the greasiness, like tackiness, like kind of feeling that you have like oil on the skin. Is really absorbs very well. It doesn't leave the oily feeling. If you apply in the evening and in the morning, you don't wake up with the oily, greasy face. Yeah, you can put this cream under the eyes, around the eyes.
Very light.
It took actually a really long time to do this formula because they were looking for a plant-based squalane. Squalane is mostly found in animals, but because my old skincare line is vegan and cruelty-free, I say that I need only squalane that is derived from the plants. Any final thoughts? What do you think about the Dermarolling? What do you think, like as a first-time user, what did you feel? How do you
No
like,
pain at all.
No pain
Not
at
that
all.
scary, very easy. Just follow the directions, watch Jean Amber beauty videos. They help a lot. So no pain. We're gonna do 0.5. Let's see if we're gonna take it to the next level.
Yeah, next time we're gonna do 0.5. And so that's it, guys, for today. Thank you so much for watching. This was Jean Amber and Katarina, my customer service and my good friend. That's it, guys, for today. I love you so much. Bye.